Hello. Ever wondered why some people have more money, power, or prestige than others? Why are some born into luxury, while others struggle just to survive? Welcome to the world of social stratification, where sociology helps us understand how society is organized into layers, just like a cake, but far less sweet. Social stratification is the structured ranking of entire groups of people that perpetuates unequal rewards and life chances in a society. In simple terms, it's how society sorts people into categories, based on things like wealth, status, race, gender, and power. Stratification exists in all societies, but how it's justified and how rigid it is depends on the system. There are different types of stratification systems. One caste system. Here you're born into a fixed social group with little to no mobility. It's common in traditional India. 2. Class system. It's based more on achievement. There's potential for movement whether up or down. It's found in modern capitalist societies. 3. Feudal system. It's based on land ownership and nobility. Think medieval Europe. Let's dive into how sociologists view stratification. Number 1. Functionalist view. The Emile Durkheim and Davis Moore thesis claims, society needs stratification. It ensures that the most important roles are filled by the most qualified people. Doctors and scientists, for example, need years of training so they're rewarded more. Critics say it assumes society is fair and ignores inequality of opportunity. Secondly, the conflict view by Karl Marx and Max Weber. Marx argued that stratification benefits the rich, the bourgeoisie, and exploits the workers, the proletariat. It's about class struggle. Weber added that stratification isn't just about class, but also status, social honor, and power, influence. Thirdly is the symbolic interactionist view. This perspective focuses on how people display status through clothes, language, or lifestyle. Social class becomes part of our identity, and those who can't level up to the luxurious image might end up being discriminated against. Let's look at how stratification plays out today. In education, students from wealthy families often attend better schools and universities. In healthcare, access to quality care often depends on income. In jobs, gender, race, and background can still influence hiring and wages. These inequalities don't just happen, they're built into social systems and passed down through generations. Can we break the cycle? Sociologists look at social mobility, which is your ability to move up or down the social ladder. Upward mobility happens when education, talent, or luck can lift someone. Downward mobility is when layoffs, illness, or discrimination can push someone down. In many places, though, mobility is limited. Your birth zip code may predict your future more than your efforts. So, social stratification isn't just about money. It's about power, privilege, and access, and it shapes every part of our lives. By understanding these structures, we don't just study society, we gain tools to change it. Did you enjoy this video? Then stick around and subscribe for more short sociology doodle videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. And please like and share this video with a fellow thinker. Also, if you have an idea for future videos you would like me to make, please feel free to leave a comment. Till next time.